Here's Insta360 GO Ultra, a tiny action camera that weighs only around 53 grams and is about the size of my thumb. You can use it on its own for hands-free POV shots, or pair it with the action pod to turn it into a full-feature point-and-shoot camera. This little camera offers 4K 60 video, 180 megabytes per second bitrate, impressive video stabilization, and so much more. Now see for yourself what kind of smooth and cinematic shots you can get with it in 4K 60 frames per second. Insta360 GO Ultra has a much bigger image sensor, a new AI chip, and ambient light module that helps the camera read the lighting around you. That means better video quality, better colors, and, considering how tiny this camera is, surprising good low-light performance. Especially if you switch on pure video mode, a setting specifically designed for dark scenes. It brightens up the scene and reduces the noise even further. It also has active HDR feature, which helps you shoot in difficult lighting conditions, such as bright sunlight, high contrast, or places where the light changes quickly. Active HDR prevents your highlights from blowing out while keeping the details in the shadows, so your footage looks balanced and more natural. So, active HDR setting gonna be simply ideal when you're walking through the forest and there is harsh sunlight. It basically gives the camera more dynamic range. Insta360 GO Ultra as a standalone camera is tiny yet pretty powerful, designed purely for hands-free POV shots.
I'm ready.
Only natural.
Oh. What's really cool about it is that you can easily mount it on your head, your chest, or basically any other accessories within just a few seconds, which is very convenient for everyday use. Thanks to its small size and lightweight body, you don't even feel like you're wearing a camera, so you can move freely, enjoy your activity, and simply have some fun with it. Thanks to its magnetic design, GO Ultra can be mounted to almost any metal surface, which is super useful for vlogging in the city or recording yourself. Basically, any metal object can become a tripod. When you're using GO Ultra with the Action Pod accessory, then it works like a traditional point-and-shoot camera. You get a bigger screen, better grip, and a couple of buttons to control it. Now, You can preview a shot on the action pod even if the camera is still mounted somewhere. You don't have to take your camera out, put it into the action pod just so you can check your footage. Action pod gives you a massive battery boost, up to 170 minutes in 4K, compared to about 60 minutes with the camera alone. It also continuously charges the camera while you record, so it's always ready to use. Thanks to fast charging, it can get from 0 to 80% in around 12 minutes, which is really fast. Action pod also works as a remote control with real-time preview. You can control the camera from roughly around 10 to 50 meters away, which is perfect for recording yourself from a distance. When you can't physically get closer to your subject, you can just double tap the screen to zoom in 2 times. The camera simply crops into the sensor and still keeps that true 4K video. It's especially useful when you're recording wildlife or things that are too far away from you, so the footage looks like you are standing right next to it. Go Ultra also has 156 degrees field of view. I personally like Action View, which gives you the widest FOV possible, which is really great for POV shots. Yet if you're sightseeing or filming indoors, then Mega View lets you enjoy a wide perspective without that fisheye distortion, so it looks more natural. Now let's talk about the audio quality for a moment. So Insta360 GO Ultra has this feature that's called voice enhancement, which you are listening to right now. So what it basically does is focusing on my voice, enhances it, and eliminates all the background noise. So it might be good and useful for vlogging. So what do you think about it? Insta360 GO Ultra finally has a removable microSD card. You are no longer limited by the fixed internal storage when buying a new camera, and you can upgrade to a bigger card anytime you want. It also makes the whole workflow faster, because you can take the microSD card out from the camera, offload the footage to a computer without any cables. What's more, you can instantly switch between vertical and horizontal video. So if you record for YouTube, but you also at the same time want to record for TikTok and Instagram, you're gonna like this feature. Right now, the camera is in a horizontal orientation for YouTube. But with a simple twist, you can change it to portrait mode, so you can use it for Instagram and TikTok. What you get inside of the package is Insta360 GO Ultra, a magnetic easy clip, a magnet pendant, and a quick-release safety cord. And most importantly, it also comes with a free action pod, so you don't have to buy it separately. And that's honestly quite a lot. You don't just get the camera itself. Everything you need to start using this camera from day one is already in the package. So you can record from your head, from your chest, or even handheld. Insta360 GO Ultra costs around $449 and contains all of these accessories in the standard bundle. But with the holiday promotion that's running until the end of December, you can save up to $80 on it, and that's quite a lot. And on top of that, if you decide to purchase it with my affiliate link, you get a free microphone that costs around $55. It's a wireless microphone that connects via Bluetooth and offers even better audio quality, so it's a really good deal. Now for today's video guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!